Did you know that a 50-year longitudinal study begun by Dr. E. Paul Torrance found that creative thinking scores in elementary school were actually better predictors of future career success, like getting patents or founding non-profits, than traditional IQ scores? Well, yet, most parents only prepare for math and reading. So, if your child is being screened for a gifted and talented program specifically for creative potential, they will likely face the TTCT, that is the Torrance test of creative thinking. So, this isn't a test where A, B, C, or D is the right answer. In fact, there is no single right answer. So, hi, I'm Gurpreet from Wizdomi, and we specialize in personalized one-on-one live tuition for K-12 and competitive exam preparation. So today I'm going to decode the Torrance test of creative thinking. I'll explain the difference between the figural and verbal forms, how a drawing of a flying monkey gets scored, and why resistance to premature closure is a good thing. So first, what is the TTCT? It is the Torrance test of creative thinking developed by E. Paul Torrance and published by Scholastic Testing Service. It measures creative potential and also divergent thinking. Divergent thinking is asking, how many ways can you use a brick? So instead of looking for one right answer, it is used for kindergarten through adulthood, primarily for gifted screenings. So now the test comes in two forms. The figural form focuses on drawing. It includes activities like picture construction and picture completion. And the verbal form involves asking questions and also improving products. Now I'll talk about the prerequisites. So they are none. It is usually a school-based assessment or it's administered by a private psychologist. Fees is generally covered by the district for screening. Can you study for creativity? Yes. Techniques include the scamper method, that is substitute, combine, adapt to modify ideas. Also the elaboration drill, which is to encourage your child to add details to every drawing. And the common mistake is being generic. So if asked to complete a circle, drawing a smiley face gets 0 points for originality. So on exam day, the proctor encourages students to have fun. There is no pressure to be correct. So results takes usually 4 to 6 weeks, and scoring is based on fluency, that is quantity, originality, uniqueness, elaboration, detail, abstractness of titles, and resistance to premature closure. If I talk of the regional specifics, so in the USA, the TTCT is often a part of a multiple criteria matrix for gifted programs, allowing creative kids to qualify even if they miss the IQ cutoff. Now let's answer the 5 common questions. Do you have to be an artist? No, they grade the idea, not the art. Can I fail this test? No, you can't. You just score lower on the index. Is it timed? Yes, it is timed strictly. Now my child is shy, will they do well? So often yes, especially on the figural test I would say. And how can Wizdomi help? So for that we offer creative thinking workshops to train the brain to break patterns. The Torrance test asks your child to be brave. It asks them to reject the obvious answer and find the magical one. In a world of AI and automation, this might be the most valuable skill that they possess. So if you want to nurture your child's creative potential and prepare them for a future that values innovation, click the link below to book a consultation with Wizdomi. So I'm Gurpreet and I'll see you in the next video.